This is the proposed cost estimation for this three-bedroom bungalow with laundry designed for comfort, functionality and modern living in Rivers State, Nigeria, May 2026. The building measures 13 meter by 10 meter, giving a total floor area of 130 square meters, which is 43 feet by 33 feet. The type of foundation is part foundation. The entrance pouch is 15 feet by 4 feet. The kitchen veranda is 6 feet by 3 feet. The guest room is 11 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 8 feet by 5 feet. The kitchen is 10 feet by 7 feet with a store of 3 feet by 3 feet. The laundry is 9 feet by 5 feet. The living and dining room is 21 feet by 13 feet. The bedroom is 12 feet by 10 feet with a toilet of 6 feet by 4 feet, and the master bedroom is 14 feet by 10 feet with a bathroom of 10 feet by 5 feet. All rooms are en suite, fitted with wardrobes, ensuring both privacy and convenience. This building can comfortably sit in a 50 in half plot of land. For the foundation level, using 4 coach of block, you need 48 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, 6 tons of chippings, 1,200 blocks, 11 length of iron rods and labor, bringing the total cost of the foundation to 3.3 million. This stage forms the backbone of the building, ensuring strength and long-term stability. Next, for the sand filling, you need 1.6 million naira to procure 10 trips of sand, including labor. This process ensures a proper leveling, compaction, and provides a base for the DPC works. For the DPC works, also known as German floor with plain beam or shining beam, you need 60 length of iron rods, 4 rolls of BRC, 1 roll of DPM nylon, 55 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, and 12 tons of chippings, bringing the total cost including workmanship to 2.6 million for the DPC. This phase is critical in preventing moisture penetration and enhancing durability. Moving upward, for the ground floor block work of 13 coach, you need 3,500 blocks, 32 bags of cement and half trip of sand, which amounts to 3.9 million naira for the block work, covering both materials and labor, raising the building walls up to the roof height. For the pillar and lintel casting, you need 160 length of iron rods, 12 bags of cement and half a trip of sand, bringing the total cost for material and labor to 2 million for the pillar and lintel casting. This stage reinforces the structure, providing the needed support for the roof. For the roofing, you need 192 square meter of roofing sheet, 316 pieces of 2x2, 200 pieces of 2x4, and 35 pieces of 3x4, bringing the total cost for the roofing to 3.5 million, inclusive of installation. At this stage, the building is fully covered and protected from weather elements. From foundation up to roofing, the total cost is 17 million naira. Then, for the plastering, you need 100 bags of cement, 1 trip of sand, which comes up to the cost of 2.1 million for the plastering, covering both materials and workmanship. This gives the building a smooth finish and prepares it for final works. For the doors, you need 3.3 million for 2 entrance doors, 6 units of 3 feet doors, and 7 units of 2 feet doors, including installation. For the windows, you need 2.5 million for 17 windows, including installation. For the electrical installation full conduit, you need 3.3 million, covering all materials and workmanship for wiring, fittings, and electrical distribution. For the plumbing works, you need 2.8 million, covering pipes, fittings, fixtures, and workmanship. For the POP ceiling, you will need 56 bags of POP cement, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.3 million for the POP ceiling. For the wall scrading, you will need 29 buckets of scrading paint, including workmanship. This amounts to 1 million naira for the wall scrading. For the matte painting, you will need 12 drums of primer and 12 drums of matte paint for both interior and exterior surfaces, including workmanship. This amounts to 1.5 million for the painting. For the tiling, you will need 97 cartons of wall tiles and 90 cartons of 60 by 60 floor tiles, including workmanship. This amounts to 2.8 million for the tiling. The total cost for just the building comes up to 38 million naira, 30 million to buy all the building materials, and 8 million to pay all labor. The total cost does not include septic and soakaway pit, water tank stand, external wall flooring, and engineering supervision fees. Note: price differs depending on your taste of finishing, the size of the building, the site location, and the current market prices. You don't need to have all the money before you start. Start with what you have and build small. Remember, inflation waits for no one. The earlier you start, the better. Contact 070-64-234-077 today to begin your building project now. And also, to get your architectural design MEP, building estimates and structural drawings designed to match your taste, styles and standards. How much does it cost to build a 3-bedroom bungalow with laundry in Nigeria?